Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Gradient descent is a fundamental optimization algorithm used in machine learning to minimize a cost function. Let's create a tutorial that explains the concept of a cost function, how gradient descent works, and provide a Python code example. In machine learning, a cost function, also known as a loss function or objective function, measures how well your model performs by comparing predicted values with actual values. The goal is to minimize this function to improve the accuracy of the model. Gradient descent is an iterative optimization algorithm that finds the minimum of a function by moving in the direction of the steepest descent of the function. It uses the gradient, a vector of partial derivatives, to update the parameters of the model in each iteration. Let's create a simple Python example using gradient descent to find the minimum of a quadratic function. This code defines a quadratic function, calculates its derivative, implements gradient descent, and visualizes the iterations of gradient descent on the function. You can change the parameters like learning rate, initial value, or the number of iterations to observe different behaviors of gradient descent. Feel free to explore this code and tweak it to understand how different parameters affect the convergence and accuracy of gradient descent. ChatGPT